Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking to your Shopify. Let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to head over to a new tab and searching here for Google Ads. So in here, you can see this ads.google.com. So let's just click on this one. And then from in there, you just click on the start now right here. And once you click on that, next thing you need to do is make sure that you register right here on this Google Ads. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the loading process. So as you can see, it will load for some time. So let's just wait for this one to finish. So in here, you can see this what it looks like. So let's just head on over and create your first campaign. So the name of the business is actually My Store. And in here, you can put in here where it should go after clicking the ad. So let's head on over and let's just copy the actual link of our online store. So in here, I can be able to copy this and head over to Google Ads and then paste it right here. From there, click on next, and then this will check the URL that I have. And by checking it, I can actually link the YouTube, the merchant account, as well as like Google business profile. So in here, I can head over and click on this right here. And as you can see, it will link the Google Merchant Center account. You can choose which ones you want to actually try to link. So click on this right here, and then scroll down and click on this. And then in here, as you can see, it's been linked. So let's close this one and then scroll down until we can click on next. Once you have clicked on that, we can choose a goal right here. Like for example, we want people to have checkout. And here, let's click on this one, then click on next. And once we have done that, as you can see, it will show us another tab or another window wherein we can choose which ones we have. So let's just wait for this right here. And as you can see, this will load. And in here, you can see this. We can choose which ones the details of your ad, like for example, the theme, the search themes, and all of that. So for example, let's put in here Shopify since this is Shopify store. And also adding here clothing. And in here, you have the more settings like the locations and language. Click on next. And once I have clicked on next right here, this will load again. And in a few seconds, this will redirect us to another thing. So let's just wait that right here to finish. And in here, you can see that we can create an ad. So in here, this is what it looks like. So click on next here again. And once we have clicked on the next, we should be able to see in here the headlines, parang URL, and all of that thing right here. So let's just wait for that right here to finish the loading process. And in here, you can choose the conversion value. Click on next. As well as this one, you can choose the amount that you want to put in this. So just choose a custom budget and all of these things right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure to head over to your Shopify. Then from in there, head on over and search in here for Google. So let's search in here for Google. Then click on this Google and YouTube. And then from in there, it will actually load us to this page. And on this page, you can see in here that I've already actually integrated Google, so I don't need to do that anymore. You can see here the lot of first things and all this thing are here. So just turn on everything and make sure that everything is okay on this end. And once you have done that, head over again in here on the search bar and then search in here for Google Ads. And then in here, click on the search Google Ads in Shopify App Store. And then on here, you should be able to see some apps integrated for this. So for me, I actually prefer to do this by clicking on this one click. And then from in here, click on install right here. And then once I have clicked on install, we should be able to install this specific application in your actual Shopify. So from in here, you should be able to click on the install right here. And then once you have installed this, you should be able to see this Google Ads that we have now integrated to our Shopify store. So just set up everything right here and do everything. And once you're done with everything, just try to make sure that you have run a campaign on your Google Ads. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps to reach more people. See you soon.